This is from chapter 5, Arithmetic Progressions, exercise 5.1. Question number 1. In which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? So question is simple. Here 4 situations are given here, and each of the situation make a list of number. Now question is, the list of number which make by this situation will make an arithmetic progression or not? That is the question, and we have to give the reason. Okay, now come to the first situation. The taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. So in this situation, the list of number which involved in this situation makes an arithmetic progression or not? That is the question. So the solution is here. The respective taxi fare after each kilometer is like this: 15, 23, 31 and so on. Because in the question it is given for the first kilometer it is rupees 15 and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. That's why the list of the number will be like this. The first kilometer it is rupees 15. After that, for 2 kilometer it will be 23, because 15 plus 8 it will be 23, and for 3 kilometer again it will be plus 8, it will be 31, and in the 4th kilometer the bus fare will be 31 plus 8, it will be 39 and so on, because rupees 8 for each additional kilometer you have to pay. So our answer is clearly yes. Our answer is clearly yes. This situation, the situation forms an AP as each succeeding terms is obtained by adding 8 in each preceding term. So clearly yes, because each term is obtained by 8 in the preceding term. See, a fixed number is increasing, plus 8 plus 8. So it forms an AP. Now come to the next situation, next problem. How is the situation? The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So it is talking about some pump cylinder. So surely you have seen this kind of cylinder, a big cylinder in garage full of air. So once if it is pumped, it removes air. How much it removes? 1/4 of air remaining in the cylinder. How much air remaining in the cylinder? From there 1/4 of the air used to remove. Once if you pump means it will remove 1/4 of the remaining air. You have to understand the question. So we have to answer whether this situation forms AP or not. So for that, come to the solution. Let the amount of air present in the cylinder be X unit. So we assume in the cylinder X unit of air are there. So air present after first pump. So once if you pump, it will remove 1/4 of x, because in the question mentioned once it pumps, it will remove 1/4 of the air. So how much air present in the cylinder? X unit. And once if you pump, after first pump, it will remove how much? 1/4 of x. So it will remain how much air in the cylinder? X minus 1/4 of x, and after calculation we got 3/4 of x remain in the cylinder. Air remain in the cylinder. 3/4 of x unit air remain in the cylinder. So after, I'll repeat again. In the cylinder there are x unit of air are there. Once if you pump, it will remove 1/4 of the x. So we subtract 1/4 of the x unit of air, and after calculation we got 3/4 of x. So how much air remain in the cylinder? 3/4 of x. Again, air present after second pump. So if you pump next, so how much air will remove? 1/4 of the remaining air will remove. So how much air in the pump at present? 3/4 of x of air remain in the cylinder. So in the next pump, it will remove how much? 1/4 of the remaining air. 1/4 of means into of the remaining air is 3/4 of x. So it removes means it subtract, and we got how much? 9/16 x. So after the second pump, it remaining air is 9/16 x. So air present in the cylinder after each pump are listed below. So how much air in the cylinder first? X unit. After the first pump, it remains 3/4 of x. After the next pump, it remains how much? 9/16 x. So it will go on like this. Now you have to see the list of this number from this situation forms an AP or not. Our answer is clearly no. This list of number does not form, this situation does not make an AP, because it doesn't increase by a fixed number. Their difference is not same. You see, 3/4 x minus x, I have calculated here. Their difference is how much? It is shown here, 3/4 of x minus x, minus 1x/4. Again you see these two difference from here to here, it is increased by how much? Means these two difference you see here, shown here, 9/16 x minus 3/4 x. I calculate and got minus 3/16 x. So from here to here, their difference is, their fixed number, their common difference is minus 1/4 x, and these two common difference is minus 3/16 x. So it doesn't increase with a fixed number. Their common difference is not same. So it does not form an AP. So after solving the Roman 1 and Roman 2. I like to give you homework for this Roman number 3 and 4. You try to solve yourself. You just need to check whether it forms AP or not and why. So for today only this much. Thank you.